Welcome to the Clear Linux OS swupd overview. This video will give a brief description of the swupd software updater utility and then dive into examples for how to use swupd to install, update, and repair software bundles on your system. You don't need to have any prior experience with the Clear Linux project to follow along, but you will find it helpful to have a working knowledge of Linux systems and a basic understanding of how software is deployed and updated in a Linux environment. Let's get started. You need root privileges to run most swupd commands, so either switch to root or execute the command as sudo, as shown in these examples. You also need to be connected to the internet in order for swupd to connect to the update server to fetch update packages. To get basic information about your system version and update server, run the swupd info command. Clear Linux OS updates are automatic by default, but can be set to occur only on demand. You do this by disabling automatic updates with swupd. First, check your current auto update setting. If you want to disable the auto update, run the same command with the disable argument. As you can see, swupd works with system control to disable the service. To re-enable auto update, run the swupd auto update enable command. If you have disabled auto update and want to check to see if there is any newer version of Clear Linux OS, you can run swupd check update. If you want to update to the latest version of Clear Linux OS, run the swupd update command. Swupd can be used to search for bundles to install. For example, if you want to install Kata containers, you can use swupd search to find the bundle containing Kata containers. And you can then install the bundle with swupd bundle add, with the name of the bundle you found. If you need to know which bundles you've already installed, swupd's bundle list command will tell you what's been installed. If you want to install a bundle, you can remove it with swupd bundle remove, which will remove the bundle. Note that any dependencies included in the bundle will not be removed if they are also dependencies of other installed bundles. Swupd tracks dependencies, so you don't have to worry about breaking other software bundles. Swupd can also verify whether files it has previously installed are corrupt or missing, and then replace corrupt or missing files with clean copies. Because swupd verifies files in the bundles it installs against manifest data, when it does an update, it's easy to return to a clean state should a file be deleted or become corrupt. You can see this in action with swupd repair. This is very useful should you accidentally delete a configuration file from the user shared defaults directory. Swupd will notice and replace the file with a copy from the same version of Clear Linux OS. Swupd has additional directives you can add, including the ability for whitelisting directories so that swupd will ignore them when running repair or diagnose. Swupd has the expected help command, which will give you more details on available commands. You can also get more information about specific commands by appending the help argument to the command. To see the latest developments and track our project, visit us on GitHub. You can find more information about Clear Linux features, in-depth usage tutorials, and documentation on our website, and contact us via the links on the screen.